Coconut-Crowned Carrot Cupcakes, a romantic Easter tea time delight. There is something quietly enchanting about Easter, a season where the garden awakens, light lingers a little longer, and the table is set with renewed sense of beauty and intention. These coconut-crowned carrot cupcakes embody the gentle elegance of the season, thoughtfully crafted with nourishing, wholesome ingredients and entirely free of gluten, grains, sugar, and dairy. They are delicately spiced and naturally sweetened with tender carrots and a hint of apple. Each cupcake is finished with a soft, creamy crown, two beautiful frosting options, and adorned with delicate coconut flakes like a whisper of spring. Perfect for a refined afternoon tea or a cherished Easter gathering, these cupcakes offer a graceful balance of nourishment and classic charm, inviting both beauty and delight. A thoughtful approach to baking. Let's begin. In a medium bowl, add finely ground almond flour for a tender, delicate crumb, lightly toasted coconut flakes for a gentle sweetness and texture, golden toasted flax seeds for nourishment and nutty depth, and coconut flour to bring structure while retaining moisture. Now, a beautiful blend of psyllium husk powder to create a soft gluten-like texture, cinnamon for warmth, sea salt to enhance each flavor, and of course, baking soda and baking powder for a gentle, even lift. Whisk until beautifully combined. To complete the dry ingredients, add your sweetener of choice. I'm using a lovely monk fruit and erythritol blend for a natural balanced sweetness. And again, whisk until smooth and well incorporated. Now for the wet ingredients. Add free-range eggs at room temperature, a splash of pure vanilla extract, and avocado oil or melted coconut oil, both stable, nourishing fats that bake beautifully at higher temperatures. Whisk until silky and cohesive. Lastly, the secret to activating the leavening is a touch of acidity. Now we add freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix once more, and now for the highlight of the recipe. Freshly grated carrots, along with a small hint of apple to gently elevate the flavor. At this time, you may also fold in toasted nuts or raisins if desired. Using a rubber spatula, gently fold the vibrant carrot mixture into the batter, taking care to scrape the bottom of the bowl so everything is evenly incorporated. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees for a slow, gentle bake, allowing both the edges and the centers to rise evenly with a soft, tender finish. Line a cupcake tray with parchment liners to ensure effortless release. Using a mechanical scoop, portion the batter evenly into each cupcake liner for a consistent and elegant presentation. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the tops are lightly golden and softly rounded. Allow the cupcakes to cool in the tray for 15 minutes, then transfer to a wired rack for an additional 15 minutes to ensure they are completely cooled before frosting. For the frosting, you have two beautiful options. The first is my Bloomery signature, a dairy-free cashew cream cheese frosting, silky, probiotic rich, and delicately tangy. Or a classic cream cheese frosting, elevated with natural sugar-free monk fruit and erythritol blend for a refined sweetness. To finish, Pipe a sweet swirl or gently spread the frosting over each cooled cupcake. Then crown with generous flakes of coconut for a soft, elegant, and effortless finish. These cupcakes are simply effortless, elegant, and truly exquisite. Now take a bite and savor the tender crumb, the warmth, the spice, and the creamy crown. Pair with a fragrant Earl Grey kissed with floral notes, or a gentle rose-infused tea to beautifully complement the spice and delicate sweetness. A beautiful invitation. For more refined, wholesome recipes and romantic tea time inspirations, follow me at Bakerlita Bloomery, where baking becomes an art of nourishment, beauty, and intentional living.